Hello and welcome to Sunny Views. My name is Sunny.
My name is Christina.
And today we will be updating our table. This is our dining table we've had for about, what, a year and a half? 2 years, give or take. And we had some stains on it you might have seen in previous videos, whatever the case is, a couple rough areas from, you know, just arts and crafts projects and all the above. So instead of buying a whole new table, we just figured, hey, you know what, let's just update the existing one we have. So
we're going to sand it down using our DeWalt sander. Is this the one that we used in the previous ones?
No, it's a different one.
So we got a new one. We're going to use this.
Extra 150 grit pads just in case you need it. A handheld sponge just in case for those areas that you can't get to. And a brush. And we got our brush. Now, I didn't go cheap with the brush. Don't go cheap with your brushes because a lot of times the hairs and filaments fall off. So whichever your Home Depot paint expert recommends, that's the one I went with. Again, I'm not the paint expert, so I went to the resources that I had and got a brush. And if you're like us, we weren't sure which paint to get, so we just got two.
So we have dark walnut here and Kona here. I'm gonna say we're gonna go with the Kona because it's the closest color to the table. Like you can't take your table to Home Depot with you, so we got two different colors. And we'll just return the other one because it's Home Depot and you can return everything pretty much.
That's right, and some cleaning cloths. Thick, heavy duty cleaning towels in case you gotta get the excess off. So let's get cracking. Sheet sander, it's square. I got this particular one because I like carrying bags. The other one I had didn't have a carrying bag, so when you're done with it, it's just some dusty sander sitting somewhere. So, selling point. So DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, when you sell stuff, sell carrying bags. Wait, where's the on and off button? Always make sure your ish is off. So this one has a release. You should probably do it with the power off in case you hit the power button. So we're gonna slide this part in first. It wraps around. See the little bumper on the side here?
Yeah.
We're gonna put it into it. It goes into the groove. It's gonna go into the groove. It's gonna grab. Now it's got it. It's gonna wrap around, and then this is gonna pinch it like so. And it's got these two little springs on the left and the right.
Awesome.
So now it's on there. Now when you hit the on button, it's gonna go on there. But so.
We're gonna do the same way we did the deck.
All right, so you're just gonna go through. Not a lot of efforts needed.
Sharp reeler?
No, I'm gonna like grooves. I'm gonna like straight back and forth. There's your power button.
Have to hold it down the entire time?
No, you just turn it on. Hit the on button here.
This way?
Yeah, hit the on button here. I'm gonna be honest, you know what? We're gonna sand so much, it doesn't even matter what shape, because the paint's gonna go over it. I'm sure someone will comment in the comments and saying you should sand this way or that way, but you know what? We're not professionals. We're do-it-yourselfers. Okay, now we're inside. Our table's sanded, it's dried, it's wiped down, went over with a microfiber cloth. Now we're gonna go ahead and stain it with our Kona. I guess that's the color. This is the poly stain. It's got polyurethane and stain in one. It's a 2-in-1. It's got like a sealer and a stain in one. And we have our
handy dandy brush.
And you shake it up like you would any paint or stainer. Just get everything all 7 mixed up.
This is 2.5 inches, by the way. Size does matter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Do a test sample. Put it somewhere. Okay.
Wow, it's basically identical to what we had before.
Now with stain, you want to go in just one direction. One direction.
Not
so pick
half
one.
and half.
No, we learned that from the last
We learned
project.
the hard way.
So we're just going to go with just one direction and just go straight through. Again, we're not professionals. This is what was recommended by the specialist at Home Depot. Is he a professional? I don't know, but he made a lot of sense. We're just going to go with the stroke. You could use your own, I guess, holder for the stain. I mean, it's simple enough to just use the can as a stain. And if you want to use the lid to kind of brush off any excess, that's cool too. We do have a plastic bag underneath to catch any drip that might fall on the floor because it is stained. We don't want it to stain our wood floors. And let's stain this table. So we've done coat number 1, first coat. Probably gonna do a second, maybe third coat. It didn't really take a whole lot of stain. So I mean, I probably could have got away with 2 of the small versions, but I mean, since you have a quart, might as well go over as many coats as you like because you have it. Because once we're done with it, I mean, you could use it for another project, but I mean, how often are you gonna keep stain? So we're gonna let this dry, and we'll go for stain number 2, maybe 3, and we'll go from there. So we did 2 coats. How many coats?
2.
2 coats. This is the outcome. We'll probably do a third one because we have so much stain left. And this probably cost about $30 between the stain, the paper towels.
The sander.
No, not the sander. The sander,
sander?
the sander itself, that's on you. Whichever sander you buy, that's on you between the sander and the grit, whichever kind. But between the stain, the brush, and paper towels for cleanup, it's gonna run you about $30. If you got your own sander, just buy some extra sheets of sanding paper, whatever. If you want to do it by hand, that's all you. A little extra muscle never hurt anybody. I'd rather just use a machine because we have them. Aside from that, hope you like the outcome. Hope you enjoyed doing this with us. Anything you'd like to add?
Nope.
Thank you for watching. As always, hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe. See you in the next one. Alright, it's recording. Oh, let me turn this loud. What's that?
Oh, we should do a kissing at the end.